Snowy on our little adventure.
Indeed it is.
चलो सही है.
दिखाइए तेरे को अपना वो तो दिखा दे. So before we head out to Havelock and Neil, we are going downstairs to have our last breakfast. Not actually the last, but yes, as we are going to. No, it is last for the day because we are going to come back after 2 days from when we come back from Neil and Havelock, and we're going to stay in the same hotel. So we are going downstairs, looking forward to another scrumptious breakfast cooked by the same guy whom I introduced you earlier.
सभी परिवार वासियों को नमन और सादर चरण स्पर्श.
The plan for today is that 12 o'clock the driver is going to come to pick us up, and he's going to take us to I think that's called Hedo Jetty, and from there we are going to take a ferry and reach to Havelock Island, and there are so many exciting activities in line for us, and we all are looking forward to it. And as I talk, Somnath Bhaiya has served the breakfast. Today he is cooked aloo paratha with a malai mirchi and matar. Okay, so
Rise up again! John Cena!
So this is our car that will take us.
We're headed to Havelock.
First of all, we are going to take the ferry from Hedo Jetty. चलो बैठो जल्दी फटाफट. Bye. Another reminiscence of Malgudi days.
Are we all excited?
Yes.
Excited for
Havelock, let's go.
Havelock and then Neil also. हर चीज शूट करने लगे हैं.
Like I always say, I would
Yeah,
love to live near the sea.
yeah.
Andaman has secured its place in the depths of my heart. कौन सी हमारी दिख क्यों नहीं रही है? खड़ी है यहाँ पास. हाँ. I was offered a fair chance to buy something for myself, but I refused. It's a testament to my maturity and my healthy life choices.
Boarded. It's a ferry. It's Green Ocean 1, and we are going to Havelock. But unfortunately, they did not let us shoot the outside of the deck. Not the deck, but what is it called? Panchaj? Yeah. So that's why I've started the video from the inside of the ferry.
While being on the deck, while walking on the deck, I felt as if we were just re-watching Hotel Transylvania 3, where Mavis is taking the whole family trip, and it just felt like that for me as well.
Because it's just started. Wow.
Never felt so good before this.
Just right onto the camera. Now you can say, yeah.
This is one of the most overwhelming experiences of my life. It might not be visible on my face, but I'm really happy.
Just happy.
Euphoric.
Yeah.
Overwhelming.
It's a magnificent view.
It's extravaganza. Now.
Feels great, but I just want to touch the water.
But you can't. उतरने के बाद टच कर लियो यार.
I don't think that the camera can do justice to the view here.
It just can't. क्या बात है श्रवण? Are you so sick? Are you sick?
It is his Hrithik Roshan movement.
Huh? Shravan, what happened, beta? Are you seasick? Are you homesick? Acha, give me a shout out. I think Shravan is upset about something. Oi! Go, go. Aale, jaldi.
I wish I had a word that would go beyond what happiness means.
Oh my god.
Oh, come on, that's a big jargon.
हमारा भैया होटल कितनी दूर है?
जेटी से आपका 4 किलोमीटर आएगा, राधानगर से
आवाज
तो सनसेट देख के ही लेके आ जाएगा आपको।
So we've reached Havelock Island. We just disembarked the ship. What is it called? Ship or what? A ferry.
No, that was a ship.
That was a whole ship. Yeah.
I'd call it a ship.
So we are directly going to the Radhanagar beach, and I think we might have lunch
And we had the
before reaching to Radhanagar beach.
swimming.
Yeah,
We
that's
had the
a
fortunate privilege of being upgraded to the royal class of the ship. So we had quite a fun time. I looked with I looked with condescending eyes down to the people who were still stuck in the economy class, but that was not us. We were in the royal class.
You did not even get to see the people who were in the economy class.
I mean, their existence is enough for me to condescend them.
But this is like too much. So how was the journey?
It was very beautiful. It was something that I have never experienced before, and I hope many more such experiences may come my way in my life. This was an out of the world experience.
अच्छा, मैंने श्रवण और श्रवण भाई कैसा था?
It was good, and it was according to the net, it was a 2-hour trip, but because it took us no time. It was so enjoying and interesting,
Enjoyable.
enjoyable. So
Yeah.
it didn't feel as if it was 2 hours.
Time passed too quickly because it was good time
Yeah.
spent.
I feel that like they say, journey is better than the destination. So
No, that's
here
Well,
in this
it-
case,
it's not
journey was
equal
good.
the journey, not the destination.
So it's the destination itself is very good, and the journey was marvelous.
mesmerizing.
Yeah.
But I must say, right now we are going to the beach, and I'm really excited.
हम कहाँ जाएंगे? बीच पर.
चलो.
क्या आपको बीच दिख रही है? हाँ डोरा, तुम अंधी हो, हमें बीच दिख रही है.
So Shravan, do you want to give the room tour?
पापा आओ आपके बाल
We've got a jumpy, nice bed here where we'll have our precious sleep.
Where your
We've
room
got
is,
some sitting area there.
your room's better.
Yeah, we've got a lot of space to keep our
So
things.
there's a fridge. Can you see if there are some goodies there, or it's just
What my guess is, it's gonna be empty.
it indeed is empty.
Oh!
Aja, let me go and have a look.
So we've got a hair dryer as well. And it's
Acha.
really full.
Fancy!
Chalo. And what about the washroom?
We've got a see-through washroom.
Yeah, it's a see-through washroom. So if you're standing there, I can see
Oh.
you.
I can say hi to Shravan while doing my business.
The glass is also not very clean.
The glass.
I'm not too keen on it. Okay, but that's fine.
Yeah, that's right.
No, that's good, yeah. Only just one night we have to stay here because tomorrow we have to go to.
Neil Island.
Yeah.
And the best part is, if we don't want to shower in the water.
Now, let's go and check out the other room. Okay, this is the other room. Okay, there's no fridge in this one. That's okay, it's the same sort of setup. Here also you have see-through washroom. This is the bed. Pretty decent, it's okay. Good enough for one night stay, right?
Indeed it is.
चलो सही है.
Rock.
पर फिर तो नहीं लेकिन फोन तो है।
What else did you do?
ज़्यादा रोज नहीं
तो पानी की तरफ देखना, थोड़ा लाइट करके.
हम्म.
लाइट करो ना पानी की तरफ थोड़ा.
ये तो बेटा सूरज को दिया दिखाने जैसी बात होगी.
बस देखे तुमसे साफ देख ही नहीं. हाँ साफ तो है पानी.
इधर ही आ जाओ नीचे आ जाओ
अब उधर कर लो ना.
बहुत शांत, पता है ये अभी शांत है, अदरवाइज अच्छा लगता है इधर. झाल तेज होती है ना. ओह
अपनी भी बनवा लो दिखाओ आपकी बना दिखाओ आपकी बना दिखाओ ना क्यों
अब तो कुछ तेजी सी आई समुद्र में, है ना.
हवा चली ना
हाँ, तेज छाल आ जाती होंगी यहाँ भी. So once your पैर उधर कर, I'll come to that side and we'll discuss about the experiences that we've had over these 3 or 4 days. Not 3 or 4 days, just 3 days. Not 2 days, yeah. So I'll just yeah. Chal, then we'll share the experiences. So Ramu, आज कैसा था, मतलब how was the experience today?
Well, we were on the cruise today. What was our cruise's name?
ओशियन ग्रीन
Yeah, Green Ocean.
Yeah, Green Ocean. And we spent two or 3 hours there sitting and dancing. It was nice. And then we came to this Radhanagar beach. We couldn't go there, but due to some reasons. But we'll visit that tomorrow. And talking about Baratang Beach, which we went yesterday. So we visited the mangrove forest, the limestone caves where we were accompanied by a very strange creature.
Strange creature?
Not a strange creature, but it was a dog, and we liked it, and he was following us like he was a dog.
Strange creature क्या?
Not a strange creature, but it was a dog, and we were like Tintin, and he was following us like he was Snowy on our little adventure
To
to the limestone
caves. What about the journey? How was it like
Yeah, we
taking?
went there by the speedboat, and it was really, really amazing.
Hmm.
I enjoyed it a bit.
Are you still inebriated by that experience that you had in Baratang?
I am in trance of that experience. I am reliving it all in my head.
नहीं भाई
Oh
पता
yeah,
है?
yeah, yeah. We also visited the We also saw the Jaravas. While going there, we thought that we won't be
You
able
mean
to
the
see
the
them,
jungle
but-
that we passed through, right?
उनके बाल सच में पिंक थे या मेरे को ऐसा भ्रम हुआ
नहीं
था? मुझे
उनके
लगा
बाल
उसके
पिंक
बाल
नहीं थे
पिंक
नहीं वो फेस पे उन्होंने कुछ लगा
उसने
रखा था
बाल कलर कर रखे थे, उसके घुंघराले बाल थे हॉट पिंक नियॉन जैसे, तो कलर करवा
नहीं मेरे को पता हो क्या सही ये बात सही कह रहा है उसके बाल
Colored थे।
नहीं वो एक तरह का फेस
Dye होता होगा
पैक
कोई।
लगाते हैं sort of उसके लिए
बालों में थोड़ी फेस पैक लगेगा, वो बाल भी लाल थे उसके।
हाँ, उनके
नहीं
बाल
नहीं
भी
अरे भाई वो बाल पे हेड गियर बांधते हैं
तो बालों का कलर लेकिन गुलाबी था।
वो एक जैसे हम फेस पे नहीं लगाते मुल्तानी मिट्टी ऐसे वो बालों पे लगाते हैं एंड देन ही वाज वेयरिंग द हेड गियर और वो जो उसकी जो लेडी थी उसकी लेडी मैंने बहुत बिल्कुल ऐसे देखी थी
डरावनी सी थी वो, लंबी सी
नहीं
थी,
डरावनी सी नहीं शी वाज वेरी
Red
प्लम
in a red-
और
red
उसने भी
cloth.
फेस पे कुछ लगाया हुआ था और उसने क्या नाम है अगेन शी वाज वेयरिंग दैट हेड गियर एंड शी वाज वेयरिंग रेड मैक्सी मेरे को तो बहुत अच्छे से याद है मुझे तो
नहीं, I didn't see the face, but I
श्रवण
know
तेरे को
that-
जो पहले तेरे को सबसे पहले तो श्रवण को दिखा था हाउ वाज इट
इसको बड़े बूढ़े दिखे थे जो
मेरे
ज्यादा
को
मतलब
तो
modern नहीं।
वो लोग जराबाज हंटिंग करते हुए दिख रहे थे।
हाँ
वो थोड़े उन्होंने कुछ ऐसे कपड़े नहीं पहने थे, उन्होंने सर पे एक लाल सा क्लॉथ बांधा हुआ था और वो कुछ प्लांट का एक पौधे को ऑब्जर्व कर रहे थे और शायद उन्होंने उसको खाया भी होगा। वो एनवायरमेंटलिस्ट होंगे।
नहीं मेरे को तो सही में बताओ ना मेरे को जब उस जंगल से जा रहे थे वो एकदम से अलग वेजिटेशन अलग खुशबू बर्ड्स की आवाज़ मतलब हाँ दैट वाज लाइक ब्रेथ टेकिंग मेस्मराइजिंग मतलब I mean it was like you know sort of a joyride for at least two of my senses like the smell of
The environment.
the flora there and the air that I could feel on my skin so these two things were like you know और एक चीज़ मेरे को और वो लगी like तू भी तो बोल रही थी ना कि like मतलब हम लोग कितने छोटे से हैं तुझसे
मतलब
जो इतनी बड़ी
ईश्वर
प्रकृति
की इतनी बड़ी कुदरत
हाँ,
है ना, मतलब एक शब्द याद आता है, अजज तेरी कुदरत
हाँ,
तेरे कदम सलाम,
हाँ,
ना मतलब
My
हम
God.
कुछ भी नहीं है उस ईश्वर के सामने। इतने बड़े बड़े पेड़ पौधे, इतनी गहराइयाँ उनमें और उसमें जो जीव बस रहे हैं, मतलब उन्हें देख के हमें खुद भी अलग ही फीलिंग आ रही है ना। हमें पता ही नहीं चलता, हम अपने ही कामों
अच्छा।
में बिजी रहते हैं।
like why we are talking about all of this is because we were not allowed to shoot.
Yeah.
That was the worst part, but we could take in the memories and those memories are going to you know retain with us forever. Those trees had huge trunks, the trees that you can see behind, even the trunks, these are also like very thick trunk, but like they are also very small in front of the ones that were there,
Yeah.
है ना?
They were so majestic. also.
Majestic and मतलब diversity of flora.
Very
My
colourful
God.
plants.
हाँ, the trees, the plants that we buy here in nurseries back home in Delhi, they were like naturally growing there. The flowers. I wish I could.
Take care of.
No, I wish I could. I wish I could make videos of those, but we were not allowed to do that.
Could allow
And
to take some for home.
yeah, so that was really amazing experience. In fact, that was the best experience of the whole trip till now, because we still have to explore Havelock tomorrow and Neil the next day, and again we have one day in Port Blair, and then we'll be going
Back
back
home in
back home. Yeah, we are looking forward to that also because home sweet home. There's nothing better than that. है कि नहीं भाई श्रवण, है ना? So सही में it was nice. तेरे को you want to just end it up with something that you.
I'm eager to go to sleep and hopefully I'll dream of the cruise ship that we.
या वो तो आपने बोला ही बात ही नहीं करी यार. मतलब जो आज हम फेरी पे बैठे थे, it was awesome. पता है at one point of time when you all were not there, मैं नीचे वाले डेक पे आया था, लग्जरी वाला जो डेक था, जो पर्सनल वाला, उस पे I closed my eyes and I was like, oh my God. I was thanking Guruji for this opportunity that has been given to us by him. We've been blessed by this opportunity. So thank you so much, Guruji, that you blessed us with this holiday. In fact, we are still in the holiday. We are still in the vacation mood. So thank you so much, Guruji.
And to end this, I'd like to end this with a quote that whenever you're traveling, keep your spirits high.
Yeah. Man, is that a general quote, or because I thought that I am the one who made this quote up?
Yeah, it is a quote.
हाँ, but किसी ने तो है भाई बता?
It's you.
Is it? Is it?
you.
है ना? Oh, so that means it will be written in the book somewhere. When you are traveling, keep your spirits high by Pramod Bhan Meenwal. So I'm closing this now. In fact, we can make more videos because we are soon going to go to
The Radhanagar beach.
the resort. I think the food is
Ready.
served. Yes, one more thing.
you know, we are sitting in the private beach area of this resort. This resort is not very good, but yeah, it's good enough. So we've got time to spend, good time to discuss the experience that we had in these 2-3 days. So the vacation is going really good. Chalo, bye bye. See you tomorrow.